is Chrissy.
And I'm Miranda.
And we are from the Chattanooga Public Library. And for today's activity, we are going to be talking a little bit about organization when you go back to school. So I know that organization can sometimes be a little hard, especially right now where you're going between school and virtual school. So we have come up with some solutions. So Miranda, will you tell everybody at home what we've come up with?
So we at the Chattanooga Public Library have made you a monthly planner, a weekly planner, and a daily planner. And to go along with your daily planner, we have made a virtual school self-care plan because we know that it can be very hard to stay home all day with the screen. And so we have kind of made a schedule of self-care for you so that you remember to drink some water, to take a break and stretch, go to bed on time, eat good lunch. So yeah, we've made this for you to print on your own so that hopefully we can help you to structure your day in the middle of everything feeling crazy.
So what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to print out our monthly and daily and weekly schedules, and Miranda's also going to show how to best use those and also put in some extra fun organizational tools. So hope you enjoy, and here we go.
You'll have your monthly planner here, you'll have your weekly planner following it, and then within each week you will have a daily planner.
All right, so Miranda, thank you so much for showing all of those things, and I am so excited to print mine out as well and start using it. So I just want to let everybody know that if you click the description below, that's going to give you the link to the PDFs that you can go ahead and print out. So thank you so much, and we hope that you enjoy. Bye.
Bye.